guys didn't want to start today, guess what I'm on again? Crazy helium booth.
So basically guys, something recent happened and it made my face look like this. So I might not do any more videos. Just joking. This nose is like the size of your ass. Look at this. Look how sexy I am. Oh, look at that. Ah, look at this mouth.
So basically guys, I'm in love and I've had one of the chipmunks. Oh, hello. How cute do you think I am? So basically guys, what I was thinking was the size of my head is just huge.
So that's it for this episode. Stay tuned for the next one.